Hello guys, welcome back from my YouTube channel. I have created this video for all the beginner who would like to start to learn the AutoCAD. In this video there is a lesson about the AutoCAD common 22 commands. Number 1, A or C commands, shortcut is A. A or C command is used to draw an arc line. Let's try it out. Number 2, Align command. Shortcut is AL. This command is used to align an object with another. Let's try it out. In Align command, there are two ways to use. One is just to align the two objects, and another is not only to align the objects but also make it in scale. As you can see, the first way is just to align the objects but not to scale. Second way is both align and scale. Number 3, Upload command. Shortcut is AP. This command is used to open an application load dialog box and to upload list program to AutoCAD. If you have the list program, you can load from here. Number 4, Array command. Shortcut is AR. This command is used to array the object along the rectangular, path, or polar array. Number 5, Block command. Shortcut is B. This command is used to block the multi-objects. In this video, I will show how to use 5 common commands in AutoCAD. The rest of the commands I will show in next videos. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell for notification for more practical videos. Thanks guys. Hopefully you will get something from my video.